Axel, jump in. Get now, show this to Grandad. How crazy is that thing?
Dad, where do we go?
Just wait, Buzzy, we're looking at the birds for a sec. They got macaws, look at them all. They got rainbow lorikeets.
We've got ducks.
Look at all the birds. They got rosellas over there, wherever he is, see if we can get him on the thing.
Yeah, it's rosellas.
No, the big one over there. There.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're parrots, aren't they?
How cool is this joint? There's the...
Look at the ducks. He's looking at you.
Oh, duckling.
Look, sweetie, he's swinging. Look, he's liking it. Look
Whoa.
at the other one.
That's the one who's just having a feed. He's a mad one, yeah.
He's going for, and this one's
Look
like,
how big his claws are.
this one's like, what are you rocking it for?
He's about to go. He's going crazy. Must be because the guys there. What was he?
Two birds.
I think he's gonna.
Is he going to go for the jump on the guy?
Oh, he just
Whoa.
got bombed.
Whoa.
Okay.